Good morning, class 3rd children. Today in the subject GK, I am with a very important video, and this video is very important from an annual examination point of view. And the name of the topic is Who Am I? So there are some certain clues. You have to identify the clues and you have to name them. The first question is, I have teeth but I cannot bite. I have teeth but I cannot bite. What is that? Comb. I have teeth but I cannot bite. Comb. I am not writing the question. For the question you refer to your textbook. The second question goes, I have a mouth but I cannot talk. See, what is the clue? I have a mouth but I cannot talk. So what can be it? It is nothing but it is bottle. B-O-T-T-L-E. A bottle has a mouth but it cannot talk. I have a face but I never wash it. So what is that? It has a face but it never wash it. What is that? That is clock. Clock. C-L-O-C-K. Clock. 4. I run swiftly but I have no legs. I run swiftly but I have no legs. That is brook. I have legs but I cannot walk. What is that? I have legs but I cannot walk. That is table. Table have legs but they cannot walk. Number 6. I get wet while letting you dry. That particular thing gets wet when it makes a dry. So what is that? When you come to school, what you do? You take bath. So how do you dry your body? With a towel. So this towel, while making us dry, it gets wet. I have wings but I am not a bird. It has wings but it is not a bird. What is that? That is aeroplane. Aeroplane. Aeroplane, they have 2 wings like bird but they are not bird. They are aeroplane. I have horns that cannot be blown. Have you seen buffalo? What does it has? It has horns but it cannot be blown. Have you seen bull? It has horns but it cannot be blown. So that is bull. I have an eye but I cannot see. It has an eye but it cannot see. This is very hard. What is that? That is needle. Now number 10. I have a head but I cannot think. It has head but it cannot think. What is that? That is pin. P-I-N. Pin. So children, this 10 questions, who am I? It is very important from your examination point of view. Please children, study this very well. It is on page number 45 in your GK textbook. Please prepare this well as it is important from your examination point of view. Okay children, till then have a nice day. Jai Hind. Bye.